Hi, I'm going to go over the text-to-speech tool in Odysseyware. You can use this to have any portion of text read aloud to you. And this is helpful if you are more of an audio learner or if you can put in your notes information easier if it's read aloud to you. So to do this, you're going to highlight the part of text you want read. You have to highlight the text that you want read. So if you want the whole page highlighted, you have to highlight the whole page. If you just want a section, highlight just a section. I'm going to highlight this first sentence here, and then I'm going to choose Speak As. It's going to give me a list of different voices I can choose. I'm going to choose Beth.
Have you ever taken a long trip in your car, maybe a vacation or a trip to see relatives?
And you can see that it went through and read that for me. It will make big the last word that's being said, so you can track your reading as you go through. And again, just highlight the word or the sentence, click on the microphone, try Michael this time,
Perhaps
and you can
thought
have
about
it read
driving
to you.
during spring break.
You can also use the features over here to pause and play and close the text-to-speech. But again, remember you have to highlight the information first, then click on the microphone, choose the voice you would like to have read to you, and sit back and listen. And that's it for using the text-to-speech tool.